In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to pay with your phone using N26. Whether you're using a physical N26 card or a virtual MasterCard, the process is straightforward and convenient. Let's dive right in. To begin, ensure that you have either a physical N26 card or a virtual MasterCard activated in your N26 account. This is a crucial first step as you'll need these details to proceed with setting up your payment method on your phone. Next, grab your iPhone and open the Apple Wallet app. This app serves as your digital wallet, allowing you to store and manage your payment cards conveniently on your device. Once you're in the app, look towards the top right corner and you'll see a plus or add button. Go ahead and tap it to start the process of adding your N26 card. Now, you'll be presented with a few options. Select debit or credit card from the list. This will prompt the app to search for available cards. If you see N26 in the list, click on it. If not, don't worry, simply choose Add a different card to proceed. After you've selected your card type, tap Continue. At this point, you'll have two options. You can either scan your N26 card using your phone's camera, which is a quick and easy way to capture your card details, or enter the card details manually if you're using a virtual card. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The process is designed to be intuitive, guiding you step by step through the setup. Once you've entered all the necessary information, tap Next to complete the setup. This step links your N26 card to Apple Wallet, getting you ready to make payments with your phone. Now that your card is successfully added, paying in-store is a breeze. When you're ready to make a payment, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. This action will bring up your Apple Wallet. Select your N26 card and authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on your device settings. Finally, hold your iPhone near the payment terminal to complete the transaction using contactless payment. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. That's how to pay with your phone using N26. With just a few steps, you've turned your iPhone into a convenient payment tool, making shopping faster and more efficient. Enjoy the ease and security of mobile payments with N26.